Sorry, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, louder. Okay. Mommy will point. This one.
Apa, iba.
Louder. No, you read it. Don't sing. Again.
Apa, iba. Baba,
Again. This one.
baba. Ibaba. Baso. Suko.
Again.
Suko.
Very good.
Misa.
Again. This one.
Mebisa.
Again?
Mibisa.
Again.
Mapisa. Sata.
This one.
People.
Very good. Sentence.
May.
Again.
May.
It's Filipino, my love. My.
My. Sipo. Ang. Baso.
Very good.
Papa.
Again.
Papa. Ang. Papa eh.
Babae. Very good.
Girl.
Yeah, babae is a girl. Yeah, like you. Okay, this one.
C. M. O.
Again.
Eba. I. Ito. Papa eh.
Very good.
Girl, really cute.
Yeah, this one.
My. Next long.
Yeah, my. This one.
Baby.
Baby.
Baby. C. Eba.
Very good. This one.
Mabasa.
Again.
Mapisa. Ang. Tawa.
Again.
Gamot. Yay!
This one.
Anna.
Very good. This one. Again.
Appa.
Again.
Abba. Mega. Ring. Ha. Hola.
Again.
Hola. Samya. Samayaw.
Very good.
Ang. Il. I.
Hell.
Il. Ol. Noodle.
Oh, it's A, I, I, O, O, di ba? A, I, I, O, O. Remember? Okay,
Oo.
next.
My. Sibo.
Again.
My. Silo.
Silio.
Silio. Ang. Happy.
Again.
Happy.
Papel.
Papa.
What is papel? Ano ang papel?
Icon.
This one is papel. Paper.
Happy.
Papel. Yeah.
Happy.
Yeah. Ito ang papel. Ano to?
Mahal.
Again.
Mahal. Ang. Asukal.
What is asukal? Sugar. Asukal is sugar. Okay.
Nakakita. Ba. Na. Ba. Na. Mucho.
Okay. What is multo?
Toys.
Ghost. Mumu. Ghost.
This is your ghost.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, next.
Nakita ko.
Nakakita.
Ng mucho.
Yeah, multo. Okay,
What
next.
is mucho?
Multo is a ghost. Okay, this one.
See, Mumu is using my tablet.
Oh, yeah. Next.
Ang papel.
Louder. Again.
Ang papel ko ay bongbong
Again.
bibili. Ang kanin ay kilogram.
What is kanin?
Icon.
Rice.
Rice. Yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
Okay, this one.
Ooh.
Are you tired? You don't like Filipino? Why?
Ooh.
But you need to learn the Filipino. You need to learn. You like English? Huh?
Yes.
But you need to learn in Filipino because you're going to school na. Don't speak too much English.
Ooh.
Ooh, is it properly? Okay, you don't want to read now? Huh?
No.
Enough now?
No.
Enough or later naman? You want to finish this or later?
Enough.
Okay, later. Okay. Good job.